Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rabika Jamir, and as you can see by this setup, I make food videos. So today I'm here with another recipe, but today I'm going to try something different, a little bit similar to Southeast Asian recipes. So today I'm going to try it and I hope that you like it. So let me show you the ingredients. This is brinjal and spring onion. I'm not going to use all. We have garlic and ginger paste, green chilies, and this is sesame seed. I've already pasted. Either you can use this or you can use this sesame oil, and of course salt. So these are the ingredients for today. I'm going to prepare it. So to prepare this, we need a steamer. If we have this momo button, we can use this one, or either steamer, or in rice cooker you can get the steamer. So that rice cooker also you can use. As I have this, I am using this one. So at the bottom part, you have to add the water. How much you want to add, it's up to you, but it shouldn't be too full also. Yeah, that's it. Then I've already washed this, so I'm going to cut it in half. Just add it here. It will take just 10 minutes to cook. Let's check our brinjal. Well, after 5 minutes, just flip it. We'll wait for 5 more minutes. It's about 10 minutes now. I hope it's cooked properly. Okay, let's check. Well, it's cooked properly. Now I'll off the flame. I'll keep it aside and let it cool. Then by the time I will prepare the other ingredients. Let's prepare the ingredients. I won't be using this one. Cut it in a very small size. This much only I need. So now it's still hot. We have to shred this brinjal. Oh my god. still hot. Okay guys, so it's all done. Now I will add some salt here. And gently mix it, otherwise all this brinjal it will mash. Then add this ginger and garlic paste. This is sesame seed. It's already grinded nicely. Actually, I've kept it inside the fridge, so it's hard. So I'll be mixing it in water, just a little bit of water. You can either use this one, or like I said before, this sesame oil you can use. Since I want to mix this sesame seed properly, I will add this soya sauce here. Set up here, mix it nicely. Now add here. I'm using these green chilies. You can use red chili powder also. Cut it into very small pieces. Well, I will add only 2 chilies since I'm avoiding to eat a lot of chili. So just 2 chilies I use. Give it a good mix, but very gently you have to mix. See, I've mixed it properly. Ginger garlic paste, chili, sesame seed and soya sauce. So I mix it well. Now I'll remove these and I'll keep it here. And at last, garnish it with spring onion. So guys, this is a very simple recipe for today. So guys, this is today's recipe. Chalo guys, I'm going to try it. Bala sila. Sometimes it's good to try new food also. I really like it. And so guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also the notification icon. So whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get a notification. And also please, those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.